I'm here in the BRZ. We're almost done with it. Chris needs to go ahead and install the Starlight headliner, which he's almost done with.
Jay. How you doing, man?
What do you got there, dude?
Oh, nothing. You know, just the new carbon steering wheel for the BRZ.
You're supposed to get that headliner in here?
We'll get to that. But first, steering wheel. You see, we got the racing D-style carbon fiber wheel for the BRZ. And it also has the matching red stitching and the stripe to kind of go around with the interior to pull it all together. We're gonna go to get this installed. It's pretty straightforward. All you really need is a flathead. Let's get into this. Always disconnect your battery whenever you're doing anything electrical. That way you don't fry out any systems in the car or yourself. I'm breaking stuff. Look at that. See, I didn't break anything. This one right here is on the other side in the same exact spot on this side, right there. And there's a little groove on the plastic, this little groove right there. And that's what you have to stick the little flathead in, and then you can pop that bad boy right off. In here, some little clips. It's basically gonna be impossible for me to show you guys where it's at. See that? Look, pop one little thing, and it already started coming off. Now, there's two I gotta do on this side. Gonna like lay under here like we're savages. Got that side. But there we go. Now, you wanna pop this like that and like that. And then you just pull them off just like that. Give this a yank. Boom! Now we gotta take that nut off right there. It looks like it's like a 16 or a 17. Look at that. It's gonna be a 17 millimeter. So now that you have the bolts off, just put it back on for a couple threads so you can just yank it. When you yank it, because the nut's on there, it won't come flying at you and you won't lose a tooth. Like, see? It's off now. See, just like that. Now, we have to tuck these wires through here. Take this little clip. Be very careful with these clips. Do not want to break that. That is your clock spring. Steering wheel's off. Ben could never. Now, all you need to take all of this out, a Phillips screwdriver for the screws, and that's it. It's all these bright, shiny screws that you see in there. Looks like there's only 6 Phillips. That is a weight, by the way. Boom. Well, there's only 6 screws. And grab the new one. Grab this. It's so nice too. It literally just slid into place.
A few moments later.
Why is this not cooperating? They should just come like this from factory. It just looks so clean. There we go. Now start by screwing this back down just so it's not kind of flopping around like it just was. And just like that. Getting this last screw tightened down right here. Look golden. Steering wheel back on. Now, just go ahead and gun the thing back on. Just like that. Steering wheel is on. Now we just need the airbag back. It is all still color coordinated. Orange to orange. Push tab back in to lock it. Black to black. Lock it. And then you grab this little ground strap. Pop it back on there. And then you just pop it in. It literally just snaps in. There you go. You're done. There you go. You're all set. Got the carbon on there. Matches the carbon hood. All the beautiful red stitching. Matches all the red stitching everywhere else. Now, we just gotta plug the battery back in and then make sure that everything is functional. It's on. We're gonna go ahead and put the pieces back in now. Don't wanna have missing panels. There we go. Boom. Always make sure you perform the proper safety steps. Battery's back connected. I'm gonna go in, hit the start button on the car, make sure the airbag doesn't deploy. I'm gonna do it from this side of the car. That way I'm not in direct fire of it, because that's smart. Look at that. All right, there you guys have it. We got the steering wheel in. Last episode, you did see us put in these beautiful taillights and also the headlights from Alpha Rex. We are practically done with this entire build now, minus just the lighting.